guys, good morning. So I'm here, right? This is a main channel video. I'm on my way. I'm notice to the title. No, it's not clickbait. You guys know I already have one tattoo. That's the only tattoo I have, and I'm currently going to get another. Shami there with me. If this is the first time you're watching, Shami's my little sister. She's accompanying me. So I'm gonna get my second tattoo today. It's going to be beside it or underneath it. Yeah, I'm excited. Nervous a little bit for the stinginess, but I'm gonna just take you with me and show you my second tattoo session today. Basically, I have a thing for arm tattoos. I'm not really fond of I'm not really fond of it like anywhere else. For me personally, that's just me. It's just me. But yeah, so I guess when we get there, I'll come back to oh my gosh. And yeah, this one that I got, when I got this was what, like 7 months ago. Got this in December. No, it's 8. Yeah, in August. So it's 8 months ago that we got it. And
the camera is so down. So like shift.
Guys, if you did not know, my other camera broke in two, but I bought another camera, so I'm going to get that soon. You know, it was shipped and everything. I just don't have it here in Jamaica with me yet, and I'm so excited. I did not buy another Canon camera. I love Canon. Canon is amazing. Is an amazing brand, but I felt like I wanted a bit of a change, so I decided to try out a next brand that I think is an amazing brand as well. So yeah, reach guys. I'm going to go right, guys. I have my mic. Sorry, I want to know for ear. So I'm reach. I'm nervous. But I'm not more this morning, we see. Oh my gosh, it's right there.
Yeah, MG.
Yeah. That's the name of the Instagram, right? Alright. Oh well, I'm getting the elephant. And it just represents strength, you know, for all of them something there.
This is actually the first thing she wants to get, but
yeah. But I did afraid because I wasn't sure about how painful it was going to be. Don't get me wrong, you know, I'm pretty sure it's going to be more painful than this one that you see I got first. Yeah, the first one was like a matching tattoo with Shami, and for me, the star represents just that I have the light in my path. You know, a bunch of other something, but just put it in short. Yeah. But I don't mind the bag of talking in the background. I want to hear them happy. My eye is the water. Yeah, anybody you get any to the water?
just wake up.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss, look almost your brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you, mine. Ooh. Taco Bell, quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unfeel, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
So I'm done. Oh my gosh, like it's lit, it's lit. I know you guys saw it, but the pain is literally like when you know, it's my second time. When I just started, like it was like on a scale from 1 to 10, it was like a 7 because it was like zinging. But for the most part, it wasn't that bad. It's just like when you get closer to the wrist, like you feel like, oh my gosh. Apart from that, it wasn't that bad. Like eventually I kind of got used to the feeling, and it didn't take that long. It took like was it like a full hour? It wasn't even a full hour. Like yeah, shout out to Romy DMG. That's pretty much it for my second tattoo, guys. That's pretty much it. Shout out to Shami, my little camera, you know, my little videographer for the day. As always. So yeah, it's lit. Yeah, so that's it. If you have any like questions in terms of like what if I'm going to get any more, as of now I'm not sure if I'm gonna add anything. As I said, I really like arm tattoos a lot. You really love it, right? It's like more neat. I'm not like more neat. And I've been
work fast.
Yeah. Oh, and as I said before, I got this for a very long time. I always wanted to get the elephant because I'm a person, like, I believe in just being strong through whatever you go through in life, and I feel like the elephant is just an amazing representation of that. And there's so much more, as I say. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of different. Not every day you get a video like this, so yeah. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. Your girl upload every week frequently, so go ahead, subscribe. Just go and stay tuned, go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.
Look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your